Hello, I'm Sandra Grace, and I've been a proud member of the National Guild of Hypnotists since 2007. That was not the beginning of my hypnosis career. Prior to my time at the National Guild, I was a presenter and I spent a lot of time training speakers and presenters and actors and actresses. And during that time, I had a lot of experience in helping people work through what may have been challenging times. That's why this year, on Sunday, August 15th, at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention, our virtual conference, I will be presenting on becoming a confident speaker, build your business and your confidence. So as hypnotists, we help people with confidence building all the time. But up until now, maybe we forgot to use it for ourselves, and we forgot to use it in the areas that will help our business the most. We want to leverage our business. We want to learn how to use all of our techniques and skills. You're eloquent speakers. You use scripts and speak beautifully in front of people all day, every day. So the key to building your practice is to be a confident and well-spoken hypnotist in and out of the office. This course allows you to gain the confidence that you need to speak in small and large group settings in your community. And I will help give you a play-by-play in just the 1-hour course on how to make that happen easily, comfortably, confidently. So we'll learn different ways of writing your speech and the main points and ways to demonstrate those speeches with confidence, but mostly it's also going to be an interactive opportunity. So for those of you who also like to experience a little hypnosis during your training, you'll have an opportunity to have both. Again, I'm Sandra Grace Sherman, and I'm super excited to present again this year at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention, and I'm honored by this opportunity, and I can't wait to see you there.